Are you a creator? Are you a creator who's afraid to fail? Are you a creator who's likely to give up because people don't appreciate your work? Continue to watch this video. This might give you an inspiration, my friend. Each and every one of us always want to be good, to be great in what we are doing. But let's admit that there are things that hinders us to do so. For me, that is time. We all have our reasons, but that hindrances should never be the reason for you to give up and lose hope. Remember why you started. If you're just starting out, disregard all that people say about your work. Don't be afraid of disappointments because later in this journey, that failures will be our strength. I remember in my previous videos, I just started with a GoPro 4. I just really enjoyed creating travel contents and self-studied the camera and software technicalities. I just continue what I really love doing, and I really don't care what other people might say. Pretty much today, I'm very comfortable about the things that I create, and compared to the works that I did before. There are still a lot of learnings to be done, but life is always a long learning process. You can never please everyone. So create for yourself because you really love doing it. Take more risks. Chase over the things you really care about and really love doing. Develop new skills and always stay motivated. Capture that shot and don't be afraid to tell your stories to people. This journey is a long roller coaster ride, but in some point in time, we will get there. Here's a quote from Padmavati Akpadriya. If you want to be successful in whatever you do, first, you need to do it with confidence and don't expect a quick result at the beginning. And you will be fine. The moment you start to relax a little bit, you'll be able to enjoy what you are doing. The moment you enjoy what you are doing, everything will take its place. So are you a creator? Just keep continue what you're doing, my friend, and stay committed, consistent, and keep creating.